Hello and welcome, I'm Thomas Porteous and you are watching Primetime Asia on NewsX World. Let's take a look at some of the top stories coming out of the region. South Korea's spy agency says a summit between Kim Jong-un and President Donald Trump is highly possible, likely after joint US-South Korea drills in March. The NIS believes Kim is ready for dialogue once conditions are met. Residents in northern Afghanistan are clearing rubble after a 6.3 magnitude quake killed at least 27 people and injured nearly 1,000. The quake struck near Mazar-e-Sharif, damaging the city's historic Blue Mosque. The death toll from Typhoon Kalmagi has risen to 4 as heavy rains and flooding sweep the Visayas region. Thousands have evacuated as the storm, with winds up to 180 kilometers per hour, moves towards South China Sea after lashing central islands. Indonesian authorities say 15 people, mostly children, were swept away while crossing a swollen river in Papua's remote Nduga region. Search teams are still looking for 8 missing children after days of torrential rain. US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth says Washington will seek flexibility for its troops in South Korea to counter regional threats while maintaining focus on deterrence against North Korea. He spoke during a visit that included a demilitarized zone tour. Defence Minister Richard Marles says Australia's operations to protect trade routes in the South China Sea are growing more dangerous amid what he calls China's biggest military build-up in the world today. Kim Yong-nam, North Korea's longtime diplomat and the only non-family member to serve as head of state, has died at the age of 97. State media says leader Kim Jong-un visited his beer to pay respects to the veteran statesman. Canada's tightened limits on international study permits are impacting Indian applicants more than any other group. Ottawa has reduced student visas for a second year to curb temporary migration and crack down on fraud.